So I'm standing here in the middle of the most fragrant citrus grove with Louis Schacht. And it looks like summer here, but really it is the middle of February, and that is peak season for most citrus.
February is National Grapefruit Month, so it's peak season for grapefruit, and it's really the heart of our harvest season here.
So explain to me the geography of Indian River County, and specifically right here, and what impact the lagoon has on the quality of the citrus.
Sure. This is part of the Indian River Growing District, and that's defined as being 20 miles off the lagoon from Daytona Beach to West Palm Beach. And it's a unique growing area, mainly because of the limestone-rich soil. If you head to the interior of Florida, you get a little bit more elevation. You lose that feature. You also lose the sea breeze, which is important to it also. But this is kind of world-renowned area for growing the best citrus in the world, which means the highest sugar content. And it's also been well known for years as the best grapefruit district in the world. We harvest November through April. We pick basically every day that it's not raining in season.
Wow. And so when it goes to the processing house, the packing house, it goes through a washer?
Right, we wash it. Basically from there it's just a sorting process for quality. It's a sorting process for size.